Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone.
Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hope they are coming in live now. You can hear me? Can you hear me? Yes. Okay. And tomorrow, one happy news is there. No. What is that tomorrow? You have to come. Yes. Is it? You have to come to school after a long time. Is it? Yeah. So come to school tomorrow and take your mask card and sign in come. Yes. You and one parent you come. No deal. What is that? Vaibhav? Vaibhav Naika? Vaibhav Naika is saying, no, I won't come. Correct? No? No problem. It's okay. It's your wish. Okay. Sai Pratik, will you come tomorrow? Now you have seen me in camera only. Correct? No? Tomorrow you can see me in live. Now you are seeing me in live in front of camera. Karana Puja Sian. Yeah. Did you remember the school? ICC school building? Yeah. We will pray that school will reopen soon. Yes, correct. Now Yashviga. Yeah, Yashuga, she did the prayer, I think. No, correct, no, puja. Everything is there, that whole thing. Yeah, good. Very nice. Before class, you should prayer and do the puja. Correct, no, Yashuga? Yes. Okay, good. And who is this girl? Who is that? Hasini? Hasini. Yeah. She got happy. Yes, good. Amrita D, 50. I called Amrita. Somebody is shaking hand. It's okay, no problem. Jeevan, good. Jeevaniyam? Yeah, good. Who is the raised hand? KP Danushka. KP Danushka? Hi. Okay. Yes. Navanita. Okay. Noor always will be there in front of a camera. Correct now? Good. Very good. Noor. Yeah, I have seen her pleasant face every time. Whenever take the live classmate, she will be there. Good. And there are Hamsiga HD. Yeah, Hamsiga HD. Yeah, so happy. Who is this boy? Dwanit Nagar. Good. Okay. Yes, okay. Now we will come back. Yes. Children, do you remember last class what I have taken? We started second chapter. Oh, before that. Yes. Okay. We were talking about tomorrow's. Tomorrow you have to come to school to get your mask card. Correct, no? And as I texted yesterday, 1 minute, I will come. 1 minute. Please, 1 minute. You wait. The Maitra and all. Jeevan, I wait. Please, welcome.
Your screen.
Okay. Now can you hear me? Okay.
Okay, come back, children, come back. Sorry for inconvenience. Some teachers are asking my help. They are taking live class, and in between stucking and network problem or not connecting like that. So I want to help them now. Yes, okay. For that one, that purpose I went there. Okay, sorry for that one. Okay, so we were talking about tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow you are coming to sign your mass card. Yes. So meanwhile, you have to bring computer only tech notebook. Okay, computer notebook. Clear? Computer notebook? Yes, I hope you have completed the chapters. Okay, and today I will send what is this girl? Digan. Okay, Dridvik. Today I will send second chapter question answer. That I will not correct. Don't complete. Don't write. Second chapter, Lakshmi. Second chapter question answer today I will send, but don't complete. You have to write only question answer 1, 2, 3 and write and learn. Clear? Once again I'm explaining. Tomorrow you have to bring the notes. Okay, and I will check only first chapter and sixth chapter. Okay, I will not correct today's chapter, second chapter. Today I will post in the TeachMin app, but you have to write only 3 question answer. That also I will not correct. Clear? Don't hurry. Oh, tomorrow correction is there. You want to complete notes. No need. Okay, those who are attending the class, please, parents also, please keep in mind. And one more important thing, Parindeep, Nirvriti, you got Parindeep and Nirvriti, Anushka, Vishwas, HS. Vishwas HS, something you are talking. What Vishwas? Vishwas HS. Vishwas HS. Hey, Vishwas HS, what is going on there in the class? Vishwas HS. So I will delete you from that. Tomorrow I will meet your parents. Okay. Vishwas HS. He is not listening. He is somewhere else. He is walking and doing something else in the class. Okay. Tomorrow, don't worry. Tomorrow I will meet Vishwas HS. Okay. I will call your parents and I will meet you 2-3 times. Last time starting also I warned you, but still you are doing something else now. So tomorrow, Vishwas HS. If you are watching means please listen me. Okay, tomorrow you come and meet me with your parents. Okay. Yes. Mass card I will carry. Not go to class teacher. You come to me. I will give you. Okay. Yes. Come back up. Yes. Okay. Now what you do? Yes. Tomorrow you have to bring assignment also. Don't forget those who completed. How many of you completed the assignments? How many of you completed assignment? Nirvriti. Good. Nirvriti finished. Parindeep, Yashika, Ansini, Pooja. Okay, so majority, yes. I think majority have completed. Who is this one? Charit. Okay, Charit, Vaibhav, Tejas, CV. Yeah, good. So you have completed your computer assignment. Please bring tomorrow and submit to in the class itself. Clear? Those who have completed. Okay, don't write today itself. Oh, today I want to complete the notes. Today I want to complete the assignment. Don't hurry. Those who completed, notes compulsory, but assignment, if you completed, please submit tomorrow itself. Done? Yes. Okay, that's all. Now we will come back to the class. Okay, chats. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can type there in the chat section. Okay, now we'll go to the next point. What is that? Second chapter. We were discussing about input devices. Do you remember input devices? Input devices? Yes. Okay. And we have seen few commercial input. Commercial. What's the meaning of commercial? Buying and selling. Commercial purpose. Business purpose. Okay. So we have seen few. Which one? Input devices. We will see. Yes, we will see that one. I will share my screen. Yes. Chapter 2, hardware and software. In this chapter, hardware we have seen physical components of a computer system that we can see and touch. Already we underlined last day. That is called hardware. Hard. Then commercial hardware devices, we have seen input devices. Which is the first input devices we have seen yesterday, means last class? Yeah, first one is barcode reader. This is a barcode reader. Example, we told about the what is that, G7 supermarket or More supermarket, and different places we told about barcode reader. Yes. And second one we have seen is magnetic ink character reader, MICR. Okay, what is the full form of MICR? Repeat me. Yeah, magnetic ink character recognition. Once again, what is the full form of MICR? Magnetic ink character recognition. And example you have seen in the bank. See here, bank check. Okay, bank check. This is the example here. Then after that, which you have seen, third one. Yes, third one which you have seen, optical character reader. Yes, we didn't see. Yes, some are telling, sorry sir, we didn't see that optical character reader. So we'll see optical character reader. Optical character reader is a device used to enter printed or handwritten text as input into computer. The process first produce a digital image of text. Underline please, underline. First, it produces a digital image of text. Character recognition software is then used to convert this message into a character codes that can be understood, stored, and processed by the computer. The technique is called optical character recognition. Optical character. Okay, we'll come back. Hello. Yes, optical character. Optical character. So in the MICR, remember MICR? In the MICR, when we scan, what we scan? The barcode. Okay, I will show here. See here. This is your textbook. Yes, this is your textbook. And behind the textbook, see here. This is which one? Yes, this is the barcode. Barcode. It will read the bars. Yes, it will read the bars here. Okay, lines. But optical character recognition means it will recognize the words. It is here robot, reboot. So these words, okay, or next page here, reboot and Oxford. So optical, what is next one? Optical. Yes, optical character reader. It will read the characters. Clear? Yes, it will read characters. Okay, then next one is optical mark reader. Optical mark reader. OMR. OMR. Okay, so here take page number 21. Page number 21, please. Page number 21. Yes, and in that one, figure 2.4. Figure 2.4. 2.4a. 2.4a. There you see OMR sheet. OMR sheet where you are writing only answers dot here. Did you see? Did you see? Figure 2.4a. Yes. Okay, that is called OMR. What is the full form of OMR? Pooja? What is the full form of OMR? Vaibhav. What is the full form of OMR? Correct. Okay, Charit. Optical mark reader. Okay, Sai Pratik. What is the full form of OCR? OCR. Optical character reader. Got it? Yes, good. But indeed, good, correct. Okay, now what you have seen the figure number 2.4a. Yes, I will share screen and I will show in the computer itself. Yes, okay, now we will show downside. You see here 2.4a. This is called optical mark reader. This one. What is that? Optical mark reader is a device capable of reading printed forms with boxes or circles that can be filled with a dark pencil or ink. Underline. Okay, Please underline, children, filled with a dark pencil or ink. When a light beam is passed through such a form, the marked areas reflects less light than the unmarked one. This way, the optical mark reader recognizes the boxes or circles that are filled. This technology is called, underline, this technology is called optical mark recognition. OMR is commonly used for checking answer sheets of objective type examination that have multiple choice questions. So example, in those schools also it is there, and when you come to 6th standard, you will write like these exams. Okay, some of you have written there different kind of exams. Okay, OMR, using OMR sheet. Okay, yeah. Next one is card reader. Card readers are used for reading information stored on cards such as underline, magnetic strip, and smart cards. Look here, figure number 24B. Yes, you do have, yeah, the magnetic strip. Children, how many of you have taken money from ATM using ATM card? Hasani, did you ever taken money from ATM card? Yes, you have taken, correct? No, Zoya, yes, did you ever taken from money from ATM? Yes. Okay, Siddharth, when you use the ATM, and you can see I don't have now presently, otherwise I could show there. Yes. Okay, I'm in school and coming. Okay, whatever. So ATM, you can put insert, and when you take money, what will happen? Yes, suddenly you are getting money, and in the bank also it is updating in your account 5,000 rupees is reduced. Got it? So how it is? Using this one. Which one? Look here, B. Like this, barcodes are there, and strip also will be there. Got it? 2.4B. What is card reader? There are magnetic strip cards and smart cards. There are two. Okay, there are two types of cards. Okay, that's enough. Okay, that is only important. Now look here, I will brief only the first point. We are reading about chapter is hardware and software. Yes, in that commercial hardware, there is input device. The first one we have seen, which is the input device, commercial input device, barcode reader. Second one, MICR. What is the full form of MICR? Magnetic ink character reader. Next one, OCR, optical character reader. Next one, OMR, optical mark reader. Yes, and the last one is, fifth one is in card reader. Remember card reader? Okay, yeah, Hasini, correct. Hasini, correct. She is showing their ATM card. Hey, baby, Hasini, give back your ATM card to mother back. There are money, Hasini. Otherwise, you give me. I will take. No problem. Yeah, you give me. If money is there, you give me. I will take. No, you will not give. Oh, she told. No. I will not give. I will not give. Okay, so key back. Okay, she is showing ATM card of, I don't know, mother or father. Okay, if they don't know. Yeah, who is this one? Hasini? Hamsiga. Yeah, Hamsiga. Sahitya, ATM card you have seen, no? You check once you take your father, please give me your ATM, and go to ATM card machine and take 100 rupees just for trial only. Leaders are told. Okay, leaders are told, and take 100 rupees and you keep in pocket. Nice, no? Good practical, no? Sinjana, good practical, no? Leaders are told one activity. What is activity? Take your parents' ATM and go to ATM machine, insert that one, every action you do, and take 100 rupees, keep it in pocket. Lakshmi, good, no? Good activity, no? Tomorrow, I think tomorrow when your parents will come, nicely I will get. Correct, now? Who is that? Sandrut? Yeah, if you take 100 rupees, okay. But if you take 1,000 rupees, then they will come to school and complain to principal. Hey, Licho sir gave such a activity. Tanvika, will you do? No, Tanvika, no. What you will not do? You will not take. You will not do the activity. Tanushree, you will not do activity. Ah, very good. So tomorrow I want to prepare and come to school when your parents come. Correct, Nandarvadi? Yeah, Vedant KT. Yes. Okay. So clear about. Okay, come back. Yes. Yes. Okay. We are talking about 5 Jeevaniyam. Ah, good. Okay, let it be. Yes. Okay, so I can watch you. You are doing something. You are getting boring, I think. Is it? So one more point I will take. I will stop. Clear? Anushka, one more point, please. Anushka T, one more point I will take. Yes. Okay. So next point, page number. Take page number 22. Page number 22. Okay. Now we will see only three commercial hardware or output device. Okay, what we are going to see is a commercial output device. Okay, yes. What is there in the text? First one, output device. I will share. Yes, I will share that one. Okay, yes. Next page, output, please. Yeah, output device conveys information. Underline, please underline output. Information from the computer to user. Okay, what it is? Output device conveys information from the computer to user. Once again, what is output device? Output devices are giving information from the computer to what? To the user. Correct, no, Tejas? Tejas SV? He's look. Oh, yeah. Correct. Yes. Okay. First one is LCD. Wow. All of you have seen LCD. What is the full form of LCD? Underline, please. What is the full form of LCD? Liquid crystal display. Please repeat after me. What is the full form of LCD? Liquid crystal display. Okay. No, you yourself will take the print. Repeat. What is the full form of LCD? Liquid crystal display. Got it? So LCD projector. You have seen now? Yes. Because 5th standard students means, of course, you have seen many times in each now school, ICC school, one class, there is an what is that? LCD project. Correct, no? And one type of LCD projector you have seen in theaters. There is another type, not the same, another type of LCD. Okay, and you have seen LCD TV. LCD TV. Yes. Yeah, good. Okay, this is a LCD projector. What is the use of LCD projector? Shows the output from the computer on the large screen. Underline. Large screen. It is commonly used for displaying presentation during meeting and conferences. Children, LCD, you have seen LCD projector? Shreyaliam, did you see the LCD projector in our school? Yes. Vaibhav, did you see? Yes. What is the use of LCD projector? Yeah, if you watch in mobile, see here, if you watch in mobile, what will happen? You can, the screen is only this much. You want to watch movie Avatar. Yeah, nice movie, no? Avatar movie. Okay, or you are using Pogri movie. Sachit, did you watch Pogri movie? Sachit, did you watch Pogri movie? Yes. If you are watching Pogri movie, in this screen, Tanviga Eliam, small screen, how you can watch? Not interested. Correct, no? If the Pogri movie in the class, I am showing in the classroom using projector, how it will be, Pradyun? Which one you will watch? In the screen or on the mobile or in the projector? Which one you will see? Mobile or projector? Projector. Correct. Pradyum said correct. Why? Because you can see the Poguru movie Amrita. Yeah, Amrita the doll. Yes, good doll. Yes. So Poguru movie we can watch in a big screen. Understood? What is the use of projector? Yes, no device. That is a one type of commercial output device. We will go to the second one. Yes, what is that? Brainly printer. Brainly printer. Who is this boy? Ah, yes, he is showing that. Yes, I have seen Digand. Digand, I have seen your book. Good, nice book. Nice book. Digand. Okay. Yes, I'll come back. Yeah, next point. Next point. What is the next point? uh, Braille printer. Braille. Okay, what is that? Braille. Braille printer or the embosser produces Braille printouts. What is the meaning of Braille printouts? Underline patterns. Patterns. It is not pattern. Okay, what it is called? Patterns. It is a pattern. We will say the pattern. The pattern of my banyan T-shirt, or pattern of my dress, or pattern of that building. It is not a pattern. Okay, some they will say no pattern. What is that? Pattern. Repeat after me. Pattern. Please once again. Pattern. Pattern, not pattern. Yeah. What is the Braille print? Braille printout means patterns of raised dots. Raised means like humps. Hump. Okay, like bumps and hums and all. Yes, dots of a computer files. It works with software that translates text to Braille. Look here, figure 2.6. Yes, dot, and you feel it is a dot. It's like a hum only. Yes, the other side will be hum. Did you get that one, Salman? Salman. Yes. So why we need this kind of printer? Braille printer. Who needs that one? Rajit. Why? Why we need the printer? Hitesh. Yeah. Those who are yes, blind. The blind people, they cannot read. Correct, no? Yes, the blind people, they cannot read the textbook. Okay, this is the book, please read. They can't read. Why? Because they don't have the eyesight. Now what they will do, if what is the hardware and software? So when we print using the Braille printer, it will print as a dot like hums and all, and the blind people keep hand on that one, and they will move like this, and they will read exactly how we are reading with that fluent. Okay, or with that easiness, they also will read. The blind people. Yes. If I told, okay, Hidesh, please read. Sometimes Hidesh is good. Okay, if I ask some students to read, there's a S of software. Wire is essential. Correct, no? Hamziga? Yeah. But if the blind people, if they printed in the Braille printer, then you keep like that and really the software is an essential component, is the front, and the computer is the software is useful. Yeah, so fastly they will read. Nice, no? Yeah. See, that is the one kind of commercial output device. The first one, which is the first one you have seen output device? First one. What it is? LCD projector. Second one is Braille printer. Okay, now third one. What is the third one? I will share it. I will share the screen. Yes, next one is plotter. Yeah, plotter. Plotter is a printing device that is used for creating high graph. Look, underline here. Creating high quality graphics, charts, graphs, tables, and diagrams. Okay, we use these plotters. Plotters use ink pens or inkjets to create graphics on the paper and polyester film. They are commonly used in computer-aided design, CAD, CAD, and computer-aided manufacturing, CAM, for printing plans of houses, car parts, machinery, etc. Plotters are four types, very important. Underline. Yes. So the plotters are four types. One is drum plotter, micrographic plotters, inkjet plotters, and flatbed plotters. Look here, page number 2.7 and 2.8. 2.7 is a drum plotter, drum, using drum, they are printouts. And flatbeds here, flatbed plotters. Okay, children, come back. Yes. Look here, where you have seen this kind of printouts? Where you have seen Shreyalium, Tejas SV? Did you have seen big flex on the road, flexes? Yes, flex. In if example, if you go to main circle, Chitradurga main circle, you have seen colleges big banner. Yes, flex, and film stars. Yes, and some politicians, election comes. So you see big flexes, big one. Yes, if that big flexes are printed through which one? This plotters. Okay, so the plotter means it is not a small device. One plotter means maybe half of the room. Big one, half of your room. One plotter. Then you can understand. Vaibhav, got it? Vaibhav, the big one is one printout. There are Chitradurga also, there are 2-3 shops where there you can print out the flex. Just you visit with your parents to see that big printout machine. That is called printer. Okay, that is called printer. But we call that is not a printer. We call it a plotter. Got it? And there are 4 types of plotters. What are the 4 types of plotters? I am stopping with that one. What are the 4 types of plotters? Drum plotter, micrographic plotters, inkjet plotters, and flatbed plotters. Okay, once again I will repeat after me. Which is the first plotter? Drum plotters. Drum, not the band, drum, not that drum. Drum is there, no round, yeah. Drum plotters, micrographics plotters, inkjet plotters, and the last one is flatbed plotters. Clear? So I'm stopping. It is enough today. Yes, and I hope tomorrow we will meet. Okay, tomorrow I will meet. Rohit, why? Yes, Salman, tomorrow I will come. Yes, I may not be there because I have a class for 6th and 7th and 8th standard. Okay, so I may be there. Tanushri, not finished. Yeah, okay. Hamsika, so tomorrow if I am free, I will come and meet you. I'm not sure. Amrita, I am free always. I have a class. Okay, but I will be there. So I'm concluding this chapter saying 3 points. Again, I'm repeating. First one, tomorrow you are coming for taking your mask on, and the same time you have to bring your notebooks, and in that notebooks, 1st chapter and 6th chapter should be completed. Only question answer, no fill in the blanks, nothing. Only question answer. Only that 2 chapter I will correct. Yes, and today I will send once again. I will send which chapter? Which chapter I will send question answer? Yes, chapter. Can you see in the screen? Chapter 2. Okay, and no need of writing this fill in the blanks, true or false. Choose the correct answer in the notes. You have to write only answer the following 3 question answer and learn. I'll put in the notice board. Clear? Answer the following 1, 2, 3 question answer yet right, but I will not correct. Okay, and third point is tomorrow you have to bring those who completed the assignment. Please bring your assignment and submit in the class. 5th standard A students in the 5th standard A class. 5th standard B students means 5th standard B class. And 5th standard C means you have to keep in C class. Clear? Clear? So that will direct by the your class teachers. Class teachers will say where to keep. Clear? So I'm stopping today's class. If you have any doubts, you can ask the doubts here. Okay, in the chat section is on. You can ask the doubts. Good morning, sir. Sir, in class I spoke for you assignment. We have to give tomorrow that spoke with you. I don't know. Sir, we bring Miss MS subject. MS subject. I am taking computer, no? Not subject. MS. I don't know. I spoke you assignment. Same students. We bring MS subject. I don't know. See, babies. Yeah, who is taking MS? I am not taking MS. I don't know about that one. So I told about my subject. Clear? Yes. Anything else? You can chat section. You can type there. Any doubts are there? Please type. I am winding up the class. Pangaja ma'am, I don't know. You have to ask them. Okay, Pangaja ma'am is taking MS means you ask Miss. I have no idea. Sir, live polls. Okay, no, live polls. See, it is 11:38. I will conduct. Okay, I will conduct that one. Yeah. Which class you will be? I may not. I don't know because I have 6th standard, 7th standard, 8th standard class. So I may be in that class. So I'm not sure. I will meet you. Okay, if I am free period means I will come. Yes. Then it's okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Do you want live poll now? Live poll. So the problem is that one. If I will stop with the answer. I went to village. If you are not here means you can send through somebody else your notes or assignment. If it is possible, you send through somebody else, your friends. Clear? If you are not there in the village, you are out of station. Okay, sir, I am not there in the Chitradurga. Yeah. So if you are out of village, out of here, Chitradurga, before only I informed that one, but today is possible. Give to somebody else, friends, parents, and what to do? Let them submit the assignment and computer notes. Possible. Okay, I think other teachers also will ask their subject. Yes. Okay, sir, I can't come tomorrow. That's already answered for that one. Yes, I answered for that one. What else? It's okay. And yes, please. Okay, this is clear. Yes. Okay, so today you have to write 3 question answer in the notebook and learn. Okay, tomorrow I'll correct. And tomorrow's class, if it is, I am not sure tomorrow class is there or not. If class is there or not, I will ask question from input and output devices, live polls. Clear? Once again, tomorrow you have to go through 2 points. Okay, hardware I completed. Then the software only. So tomorrow what I will do? I will take the textbook. Okay, and I will take the textbook. I'll prepare different question. Example. Braille. What do you mean by Braille printer? Option: patterns, raised dots. Patterns or raised dots, or hums, or dots, or holes, like that. So I will ask inside the text. I will ask question from inside. Okay, these 2 pages, these 3 pages. Which one? Here, chapter here. This one, up to software. Okay, in between I will ask the question in polls, live polls. Clear? If tomorrow class is there means I will conduct live polls. You read and prepare and come. Simply live class is not a what is that? Conduct what is that? Live poll. It is not a good one. Niharji. Okay, Niharji. Okay, so simply I am preparing polls, and you will press one. You press without seeing and without simply joking. Press 1, press 2. Parinita, yes, no? Okay, so tomorrow I will conduct. Half of the time will be live polls from 2 points. That is hardware. What is that? Output device and input device. Inside the textbook, I will ask different way. I will ask. Be ready for the tomorrow's live poll test. Live test. Ready for tomorrow's class? Yes. Okay. And if class is there, I'm not sure tomorrow class is there because you are coming to school. No. That is only 1 hour. I don't know, 1 hour or 1.5 hour. We will see. Clear? Okay. Now after this, now it is 11:42. Remaining time, please complete the 3 question answer. Write in the notebook and learn. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye, sir. Thank you. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.